right, we're at the City Center Hotel parking garage.
City Center Hotel parking garage, and Jason really wants to ride the elevator. And Doug here is having so much fun. You see the excitement in his face.
Ooh, look what we have in here. You're gonna love this.
Hey, these people watch this stuff though.
Walnut Street parking ramp.
1979, so this is obviously modded.
Ooh, look at this.
At least it has no annoying fan.
You know, I wonder,
Go down to T.
is this a Minnesota mod?
It is. Yeah.
This is MEI. I'm not going to complain about an MEI mod.
No.
These were cut on that laser thing, right?
Yes. Yeah.
See? These were cut on that laser thing. All right, let's listen to the motor going up. This is a high hydraulic.
Here we go.
Oh, let's look at the view.
Oh, nice.
Look at this. This is a nice view up here.
It is. It's kind of down the valley, actually, kind of down the hill.
So what do you think about that elevator, Doug?
It's better than a Montgomery.
That's right. What's up with these drop key locks? Is that code now?
That's Minnesota.
That's a Minnesota state code now?
So every entrance except the lowest landing has to have a lock. And before 2007, you couldn't even have a lock at all. It was just a basic. Now push door closed.
Let's see. If the door hold switch works in this elevator. I've seen that in a lot of elevators in the state too. Is this a standard in-ground?
I'm not sure.
See that indicator rings.
Probably is.
Look at that. It works.
Hey, you know what I'm thinking?
What?
The elevator Curling's parking garage has got to be in Minnesota.
There it goes.
Did it?
Which